Let's get cooking, mastering kitchen appliances. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to spice up your vocabulary by diving into the world of kitchen appliances. You'll be learning all about the different types of appliances we use in our kitchens to cook and prepare food. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently name and discuss the function of common kitchen appliances, which will certainly come handy in your English conversations. First things first, let's understand what we mean by kitchen appliances. Kitchen appliances are devices that assist us in the kitchen to cook or prepare food more efficiently. They range from small tools like a toaster to larger devices such as a refrigerator or an oven. Let's explore these appliances further. Small kitchen appliances are generally portable and can be moved around easily. 1. Toaster. This is used to toast bread. 2. Blender. We use a blender to mix, puree, or emulsify food and other substances. 3. Microwave. This appliance is used to quickly heat up food. 4. Electric kettle. An electric kettle is used to boil water rapidly. Large kitchen appliances are usually stationary and take up more space. They tend to be essential for many cooking tasks. 1. Refrigerator. This appliance is used to store food at a cold temperature to keep it fresh. 2. Oven. An oven is used for baking, roasting, and heating food. 3. Stove. This is used to cook food in a pot or pan. 4. Dishwasher. A dishwasher cleans dishes automatically. These appliances have a specific purpose and may not be found in every kitchen. 1. Rice cooker. A rice cooker is used to steam or boil rice. 2. Espresso machine. This appliance makes espresso, a type of strong coffee. 3. Slow cooker. A slow cooker cooks food at a low temperature over a long period. 4. Bread machine. This machine mixes, kneads, and bakes bread. There you have it, a brief introduction to common kitchen appliances. Now, you can confidently talk about these appliances in English and discuss your kitchen routines more efficiently. Practice these new words in your everyday conversations, and before you know it, you'll be cooking up a storm of English vocabulary. Until our next video, happy learning and happy cooking!